Morning, Eric. Lily, put that phone down and eat your breakfast before it gets cold.
Fine, but you better not make me late for school again. Last time Mr. Brown gave me the "Why are you late?" lecture for 10 minutes.
Maybe if you didn't take 30 minutes picking an outfit, you wouldn't be late.
She has a point, Lily. You spend more time in front of the mirror than Kate does. And that's saying something.
Speaking of Kate, Eric, have you noticed anything different about her lately? She's been dressing up so much these days.
Dressing up? Kate? No way. She's the jeans and t-shirt forever type.
Well, not anymore. I think she might have a boyfriend.
A boyfriend? Kate? Seriously, Mom, who'd want to date her? She's so bossy all the time.
Says the guy who never stops arguing with her. Maybe she's bossy because you bring it out of her.
Oh, please. She's been like that since we were kids. Remember the lemonade stand incident? She made me carry all the stuff, then took all the credit.
Sounds like someone's still bitter. Maybe you're just mad she's moving on and leaving you behind.
What? No. She's not leaving me behind. We're just neighbors. That's it.
Sure. Keep telling yourself that.
Morning! What a coincidence seeing you here. Early for once, huh?
Morning, Kate. Yeah. Well, some of us have work that starts early. Not everyone gets to stroll into the office at 10.
Oh, please. My job's not that flexible. I actually have to work hard. Thank you very much.
Well, you're certainly dressing the part of someone important. What's with the heels and blazer? Did I miss the memo about a promotion?
Nope, no promotion. Just felt like stepping it up a bit. You know, a little confidence boost never hurts.
Confidence, huh? Or are you just trying to impress someone?
What's that supposed to mean?
Nothing. Just saying you seem different these days. Guess people change when they have a reason to.
And you're saying that like it's a bad thing? Is it so wrong to want to feel good about myself?
Didn't say it was wrong. Just surprising, that's all.
You know, I was actually excited to run into you this morning. But clearly, this was a waste of time.
Kate, wait.
No, Eric. If you can't even be happy for me, then maybe we shouldn't talk. Have a good day.
Seriously? Why is she so sensitive? I didn't even say anything that bad. Always making a big deal out of nothing.
Okay, maybe I overreacted this morning. She was just being Kate, and I was being me, grumpy as usual. I'll just give her this cake and apologize. That should fix it. Wait, who's that?
Unbelievable. So this is why she's been so busy lately. Well, isn't this cozy? Kate, I didn't know you had company tonight.
Eric, what are you doing here?
Oh, nothing much. Just thought I'd stop by and bring you this. But it looks like I'm interrupting something important.
Eric, don't be ridiculous. This is my boss, Jake.
Hi, you must be Eric. Kate's told me a lot about you. It's nice to finally meet you.
Oh, has she? Well, I hope it was all good things.
Eric, what's your problem? Jake just gave me a ride home because my car broke down. That's all.
Sure, a broken car. Sounds like a convenient excuse to me.
Look, Eric, I think there's been a misunderstanding here. I should probably get going. Kate, I'll see you at the office tomorrow.
Thanks for the ride, Jake. Have a good night. What the hell was that? Why were you so rude to him?
I wasn't being rude. I just don't think it's normal for a boss to drop you off at home.
Are you serious right now? My car broke down, Eric. What did you expect me to do? Walk home?
I don't know, maybe call me? But no, you had Jake to save the day.
Unbelievable! You know what? You need to figure out what's going on with you before you talk to me again.
Why does this bother me so much?
What's with the sour face, big brother? Did someone steal your lunch at work?
Very funny, Lily. Just mind your own business.
Ooh, what's that? Did you buy that for Kate? How sweet. Wait, did she reject it?
No, she didn't even get it. It's complicated.
Oh, complicated? That sounds juicy. Let me guess. You saw her with another guy, got all jealous, and then acted like a total jerk. Am I close?
How? How did you know that?
Oh, please, Eric. You're like an open book. I've seen you glare at anyone who talks to Kate since, like, forever.
That's not true. I don't glare.
Oh, sure. And I'm the Queen of England. Face it, big brother. You like her. You've always liked her. That's why you're so worked up.
That's ridiculous. We're just friends.
Friends don't buy each other desserts and then sulk when they see them with someone else. Just saying. Look, if you like her. Maybe stop acting like a grumpy old man and tell her. Before someone else does.
Do I like her? Is that why I'm acting like this?
Eric? What are you doing here this early?
I came to apologize for yesterday. I brought your favorite cheesecake from that cafe you love.
Cheesecake, huh? You do know my weakness.
So, truce? I mean, I know I acted like a total idiot yesterday.
Fine. But seriously, what's been up with you lately? You've been so moody.
I guess I've been stressed. Work stuff, you know? But I shouldn't have taken it out on you.
Oh, hi, Jake. You're nearby? Sure, I'm almost ready to leave.
Jake? Seriously?
What? Why are you looking at me like that?
Oh, nothing. Just wondering how nearby your boss always seems to be. Convenient, huh?
Are you seriously doing this again, Eric?
I'm just saying, it's interesting. You two seem awfully close for a boss and employee relationship.
Wow. Unbelievable. I actually thought you came here to apologize. But clearly, you're just here to ruin my morning.
Wait, Kate, I didn't mean.
No, Eric. Just stop. You know what? I'll walk to work. Maybe some fresh air will help me forget this conversation.
Jake this, Jake that. What's so great about him anyway? Fine. If she's so impressed by him, then let's see how this plays out.
Lily, can I ask you something? Does Eric ever talk about me?
Oh, this sounds juicy. Why? Is my brother giving you a hard time again?
You could say that. He's been so cold and mean lately. Every time I try to talk to him, he just snaps or makes some sarcastic comment. It's like he doesn't even want me around anymore.
That's just Eric. You know, emotional constipation runs in the family.
That's not funny, Lily. I'm serious. I don't know what I did to make him act like this.
Maybe it's because he likes you.
What? What did you just say?
Nothing. I said nothing. Pass me the popcorn.
You're acting weird.
So, what's this really about? Are you mad at him? Or are you disappointed?
Both, I guess. I miss how we used to be. You know, just two friends who could talk about anything. Now, it feels like I'm walking on eggshells around him.
Kate, trust me. Eric's just figuring stuff out. Give him time. He's not pushing you away because he hates you.
Then why does it feel like he is?
Because Eric is a mess. But he'll come around. I know he will. Just don't give up on him, okay?
I'm trying, Lily. But it's hard. Really hard.
You're a tough one, Kate. If anyone can handle Eric's nonsense, it's you.
Well, I hope you're right.
Hi, I'm Emma. And I'm here to help you improve your English conversation skills. If you want to practice more English dialogues, remember to subscribe to my channel.